Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about Ubabu Musamselegu revealing ukuthi uspenda over 40k a month on groceries for his household. Ubabu Musamselegu has once again made a headline. This time around, the staggering amount he spends monthly on groceries for his large family. In a recent interview with Newsroom Africa, Mselegu, known for his appearance on the popular show Uthando Nestembu, shared the details of his household's hefty grocery bill, which he said exceeds 40,000 a month. Mselegu, who has 4 wives and several children, discussed the logistic of managing such a large household during the candid conversation. He explained that feeding his family requires meticulous planning and significant financial resource, with grocery forming a major part of the budget. My household is not just large in terms of people, but also in terms of the variety of needs and preferences each member has, Mselego said. From the staple like maize meal, rice, and meat, to more specialized items for the children, it all add up quickly every month. I find myself spending over 40,000 just to ensure everyone is well fed. Seleko emphasized that the cost is not limited to just food, but extend to toiletries, cleaning products, and other household necessities. He revealed that despite the heavy financial burden, he finds joy in providing for his family and maintaining a stable and well managed home. Selego's candid disclosure has sparked conversation on social media, with many expressing surprise at the scale of his spending. Some has praised his dedication to supporting such a large family, while others has raised concerns about the pressure of sustaining such a lifestyle. However, Mselegu remains unfazed by the critics and is committed to his family's well-being. Despite the challenges that comes with maintaining multiple household, Mselegu openness about his finances and his dedication to his family continues to captivate the audience. While some may question the sustainability of such high expenses, Musamselegu's interview highlighted the complexity of managing a large family in a modern society where the cost of living continues to rise. As Musa prepares for future seasons of Uthando Nestembu, it is clear that his role as a polygamist and a father of many will remain a central aspect of his public persona. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.